Okay, we're going to solve a circuit using Tellegen's theorem. So, what is Tellegen's theorem? It says the power absorbed in a circuit is equal to the power supplied. So, the way I remember what is supplied and what's absorbed is, say there's a current going like this. Whichever side it enters is the value. So it enters a positive, so the power is going to be positive. This enters a negative, so the power is going to be negative. And negative is supplied power because you lose potential energy. Positive is absorbed because you absorb potential energy as the current goes through. So let's start. So the power through box 1 is equal to, so there's a current of 1 amp, and the power equation is E equals plus or minus the current times the voltage, and the current is coming down. And since it's in parallel with the 25 volt source, it's going to have the same polarity and the same voltage source. So box 1 is equal to, it's entering the positive side, so positive. The current is 1, and the voltage is 25, and that's positive 25. And an amp times a volt is a watt. So now we're going to come through here, and the power of the 25 volt source is equal to, it enters the negative side. The current is 5, and the voltage is 25. Negative 125 watts. Next, we're going to come around to box 2. So this is connected in series with the 10 volt source. And things that are connected in series have the same current going through them. So the 10 volt source has a voltage of Ix to it. So box 2 will also have a current of Ix to it. And the current would go through negative. The current is Ix, which is what we're solving for, and the voltage is 15. Negative 15 Ix. Power of 10 volts enters negative Ix multiplied by 10 volts is equal to negative 10 Ix. Next, we're going to follow this 2 amp current down to box 3. Okay, box 3, it enters the positive side. The current is 2 amps, and the voltage is 15. So it goes to positive 30 watts. Next, the current goes through the last 10 volt source, but because we already have a 10 volt source, I'm going to call it 4, box 4. Also have the color on the side to relate it. So enter's positive, the current is 2, and the volt is 10. So that's 20 watts. Now that we have the power through all of the voltage sources, we're going to apply it. So power absorbed is equal to power supplied. So power absorbed, I'm going to highlight it in pink. It's 30 plus 20 plus 25. That is equal to 75. And then the rest of it is going to be power supplied. It's going to be 25 IX and 125 watts. Of course, we subtract the 125 over. Then we get 50 is equal to 25 IX, and IX is equal to negative 50 amps. My bad. It's gonna be negative 2 amps. I don't know what planet 50 divided by 25 would be 50, or whatever I wrote. So this is our answer. But notice that it's negative. So in the current, in the circuit, the current is going up. Since it's negative, it's actually going to be going down. And that's the end of this video. Thank you.